will learn like and unlike fractions. Fractions that have the same denominator are called like fractions. 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. They both are like fractions because both have denominator 3. 2 by 7, 3 by 7 and 5 by 7. These all are like fractions because they all have denominator 7. Unlike fractions, fractions that have different denominators are called unlike fractions. 1 by 2 and 2 by 5. 1 by 2 and 2 by 5 are unlike fractions because the denominators are not the same. 3 by 8, 3 by 7 and 7 by 9. These all are unlike fractions because their denominator are not same.
If you eat 3 upon 8 of the watermelon and Isha eats 1 upon 8 of the watermelon, then in all, what fraction of the watermelon do you both eat? To solve this problem, you need to add the fractions. To add 2 or more fractions having the same denominators, we first need to add the numerators and then write the sum over the same denominator. Here, the denominator of the fractions 3 upon 8 and 1 upon 8 is 8. 3 and 1 are the numerators of the fractions. We need to add 3 and 1 and write the sum over the same denominator. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Thus, you both ate 4 upon 8 of the watermelon. Subtraction of like fractions. Similarly, we can even find who ate more and by how much by subtracting the fractions. To subtract 2 or more fractions having the same denominator, we need to subtract the numerators and write the difference over the same denominator. Here, we will find the difference between the numerators and write it over the same denominator. 3 minus 1 is 2. Thus, you ate 2 upon 8 parts more of the watermelon than Isha.
Now coming to the exercise 4, use the figures to add the fractions. Here we will be seeing only like fractions. So add the numerator 2 plus 1 which is 3 by 4. The second one, blue color fraction is 1 by 3 and the green color is also 1 by 3. So the fraction is 2 by 3. Similarly, here directly the fractions only given 2 plus 4 that is 6 by 7 and the second one numerators are 3 plus 5 which is 8 by 8 is the addition. The next exercise, use the figures to subtract. 3 are colored and 1 is cancelled. So 3 minus 1, 2 by 4 is a fraction. Here out of 4 colored parts, 2 are removed. So 4 minus 2 that is 2 by 6 is a fraction. And subtracting directly from the fraction 6 by 9 minus 1 by 9 that is 5 by 9. And the second one 6 by 11 minus 3 by 11. 6 minus 3 that is 3 by 11. Similarly, you can solve the next one.
Now, let us revise the types of fractions. 1. Proper fractions. A fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator is called a proper fraction. For example, 2 is less than 8. Thus, we say that 2/8 is a proper fraction. 2. Improper fractions. A fraction in which the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator is called an improper fraction. For example, A. 5 is greater than 2. Thus, we say that 5 upon 2 is an improper fraction. B. 4 is equal to 4. Thus, we say that 4/4 is an improper fraction. 3. Mixed fractions. A mixed number, also called as mixed fraction, is the sum of a natural number and a proper fraction. Look at the 3 circles. The first and second circles are completely colored and half of the third circle is colored. When added together, we get 2 and half. This 2 and half represents a mixed number. Here, number 2 is the natural number and half is the fraction. Now, let us change a mixed number to an improper fraction. Convert 5 and 3 upon 9 into an improper fraction. To do this, multiply the natural number by the denominator and then add the numerator to the product to get the new numerator. Write the denominator as it is. Therefore, 5 and 3 upon 9 is equal to 5 into 9 in brackets plus 3 upon 9, which is equal to 45 plus 3 upon 9, that is equal to 48 upon 9. Thus, 5 and 3 upon 9 is equal to 48 upon 9. Next, we will change an improper fraction into a mixed number. Look at the given fraction. To convert into a mixed number, we divide the numerator 9 by the denominator 2. We get the quotient as 4 and the remainder as 1. We write the mixed number as quotient plus remainder upon divisor. Thus, 9 upon 2 is equal to 4 plus 1 upon 2, which is equal to 4 and half.
Let's see the exercise 7. Write the proper fractions and mixed numbers for the following. Here we have 3 and plus quarter. So 3 quarter makes 3 fours are 12 plus 1 13 by 4. Convert the improper fractions into mixed fractions. So divide the number 2 twos is 4, 1 is a remainder. Starting with the quotient, 2 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction. Let's see the another one, 11 by 4. So divide 4 with 11, 4 twos is 8, 1 minus 8 is 3. Again starting with the quotient, 2 is the whole number, 3 by 4 is a fraction. So 2, 3 by 4 is a mixed number. Now convert the mixed numbers into the improper fraction. 4 into 3 is 12 plus 1, that is 13 by 3 is the improper fraction. Similarly, let's do another one. Now multiplying denominator, that is 4 9s are 36 plus 3, that is 39 divided by 4. Like this you can solve the similar questions. I hope you understood. Solve the questions which are left in the exercise. See you in the next class.